This channel gained over 1.56 million subscribers just by uploading simple airplane explainer videos, and one of its long-form videos has reached an unbelievable 94 million views. Yes, not shorts, full-length videos pulling in massive numbers, with many others consistently hitting millions as well. And it's not just one example. There's another channel that started just last month, uploaded only 21 videos, and already has over 14,000 subscribers. Their first video crossed 1.1 million views in a month, and even a video uploaded just 7 days ago has already hit 500,000 views. This niche is clearly exploding, and the RPM is also very high, which means these views are not just numbers, they translate into serious income. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these airplane explainer videos are going viral, and more importantly, how you can create the same type of videos using free AI tools. But you need to follow every single step carefully, because if you miss even one part, you won't get the same results or be able to replicate this style successfully. So if you want to learn the full process from start to finish, make sure you watch this video until the end, because we're about to break it all down step by step. To create this type of airplane explainer video, the first thing you need is a strong prompt. And to save you time, I have already done the hard work for you by preparing a complete set of prompts, which you will find linked in the description. Once you open it, you will see multiple prompts, but to get started, you need to copy the first long prompt. After copying it, go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Then click on Generate. Within seconds, it will give you 5 different viral topic ideas related to airplane content. If you do not like the first set of ideas, you can simply click Regenerate to instantly get new ones. Once you find a topic that stands out and feels viral, you can select it and move to the next step, which is generating a complete script based on that topic. To generate the script, go back to the document and copy the second prompt provided there. After copying it, open ChatGPT again and paste the second prompt. Inside this prompt, you will see a section in brackets where you need to insert your selected topic, so take one of the topic ideas you generated earlier and place it there. Once you've added your topic, click on the Generate button, and your viral script will start being created automatically. Within seconds, you will have a complete script ready that you can use to produce your airplane explainer video. Now that your script is ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover. Start by copying the complete script from ChatGPT and pasting it into Google Docs so you can clean it properly. Remove any unnecessary symbols, headings, or unwanted parts so the script looks clean and ready for narration. Once your script is polished, it's time to generate the voice using 11 Labs. You'll find a link in the description, and after signing up and logging in, you'll receive free credits to get started. When you open the platform, you'll see the main interface where you can begin creating your voiceover. Copy half of your script from Google Docs and paste it into the text box. Then go to the Voices section and click on Explore to browse different AI voices. Choose a voice that fits your video style, and then click Generate to create the audio instantly. Once the first part is done, repeat the same process for the remaining script until everything is converted into voice. After generating all parts, download each audio file so you have your complete voiceover ready for the video. Now that your voiceover is ready, the next step is to generate visuals, including images and videos, and you can do this completely for free. To begin, go back to your Google Doc and copy the third prompt provided there. After copying it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Inside this prompt, you will see a section that says to paste your script, so take your cleaned script from Google Docs, copy it completely and insert it into the brackets. Once everything is in place, click on Generate, and ChatGPT will create 5 different prompts for you. Under each one, you will get both an image prompt and a corresponding video prompt. It will generate a total of 5 sets, and then stop. For now, you should focus on generating images using these prompts, and later you can continue the process for the remaining parts of the script. Now, for generating images, start by copying the first prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. Once you've copied it, go to Pipit.ai, the link is in the description. After signing up and logging in, you'll receive free credits that you can use to generate images at no cost. When you enter the platform, you will see 2 options, image and video. Select the image option, and then paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the input box. After pasting, look for the model settings below and choose the model named Nano Banana. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so your images match the YouTube video format. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, a new interface will appear where your image will start generating, so just wait for the process to complete and your visual will be ready. Now that your first image is ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the next image prompt from the list. After copying it, return to Pipit.ai and paste the new prompt into the same prompt box. Then simply click on the Generate button again to create the next image. You need to repeat this exact process for all 5 prompts, copying each one from ChatGPT and generating the images one by one. Continue this step-by-step workflow until all 5 images are created, and once you're done, now we have generated multiple images. But remember, ChatGPT initially gives only 5 prompts at a time. And those usually cover just the first part of your script. This happens because in longer conversations, ChatGPT breaks everything into smaller chunks. That's why the prompt system is designed in a way that lets you generate more prompts, step by step. After completing the first 5 images, simply go back to ChatGPT and type Next in the prompt box, then click Generate again. It will give you the next set of 5 image and video prompts. You need to keep repeating this process, typing Next each time, until all parts of your script are covered. At the end, ChatGPT will notify you that these are the final prompts. From there, you just copy each prompt one by one and continue generating images the same way as before. By following this process, you can quickly create all the visuals needed for your entire video without missing any part. Now that all your images are ready, the next step is to download them one by one. Simply click on each image and you will see the download option appear. Click on it, and before downloading, make sure to adjust the settings properly. Select the PNG format for better quality, and choose the option without watermark so your final video looks clean and professional. After that, click the download button and save each image to your device. Repeat this process for all the images until everything is downloaded. Once you've saved all your visuals, the next step is to convert these images into videos so you can start building your final video. Now the next step is to convert your images into videos, and for this you can use a free AI tool like Flow.ai. After opening the platform, create a new project and go into the video creation settings. Select the video option, then go to Ingredients and set your aspect ratio to 16:9 so it matches your YouTube format. Choose the number of videos as 1 and select your preferred model. After that, click on the plus icon at the bottom and upload your first image from your device. Once your image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT and copy the corresponding video prompt that was generated along with the image prompt. Then return to Flow.ai, paste that video prompt into the prompt box, and click on the Generate button. Within a few moments, your first video clip will start generating. Once your first video clip is ready, the next step is to upload the second image by clicking on the Upload option again inside Flow.ai. After uploading the new image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the correct video prompt that matches that image. Make sure you are selecting the right prompt for each visual to keep everything aligned with your script. Then return to Flow.ai, paste the video prompt into the prompt box, and click on the Generate button. Your next video clip will start rendering. You need to repeat the same process for all your images, uploading each one, pasting its corresponding video prompt, and generating the clip. Once all your videos are created, simply click on the download button for each clip and save them one by one to your device. After completing this step, you will have all your video clips ready for the final editing stage. For the final step, we will edit everything using CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project, then click on the Import button and bring in all your generated video clips along with the voiceover files you created earlier. Once everything is imported, start by placing your voiceover on the timeline first, because this will act as the foundation of your video. Carefully listen through it, split any unnecessary pauses or empty gaps, and delete them so the audio flows smoothly. After cleaning up the voiceover, begin adding your video clips one by one on top of the timeline, matching them with the corresponding parts of the audio. This is where you shape your video, so align visuals properly with what is being said. You can then enhance the video by adding transitions between clips, applying simple effects, and making sure the pacing keeps the viewer engaged. Keep everything clean and smooth, don't overcomplicate it. Once your editing is complete, click on the Export button, choose your desired quality settings, and save the video to your device. At this point, your Airplane Explainer video is fully ready, and you can watch the final result and upload it to YouTube.
Imagine sitting on a plane, 35,000 feet in the air, moving at almost 900 kilometers per hour. You look out the window, and the wing is bending upward like it's about to snap. Not a little bend, we're talking several meters. It looks wrong, dangerous even. But here's the crazy part. That bending isn't a problem. It's the reason the plane doesn't break. And once you see why, you'll never look at airplane wings the same way again. Let's put this into perspective. A fully loaded commercial airplane can weigh over 400,000 kilograms. That's like lifting 70 elephants into the sky. Now, all of that weight is being supported by